Everybody, it's Mr. Marshall and Timi. We're back. We have one more thing we want to tell you. Actually, maybe two things, but we were working on the doubles, right? We were working on the doubles, and so there's like a special pattern that we wanted to point out to you. So if we're just going to look at the doubles, well, one thing that Timi did to kind of study these is she wrote them in again and again, and she circled them again and again. And each time she circled it, she said the fact out loud. So can you show us how that works, Timmy?
So, um, so for the first one, I said 0 times 0 is 0, and I circled it. And then for the second one, I did 1 times 1 is 1, and then 2 times 2 is 4, and then 3 times 3 is 9.
Okay, so because when you say something and you write it and you look at it all at the same time, when you do those three things, it helps your brain remember. So if you're trying to remember something, that's one way that you can do it. You can say it out loud, look at it, and write it at the same time, and it'll help your brain remember. So do this, say that with me. Say it out loud, look at it, write it. Do those three things at the same time. It'll help you remember. And there's one special pattern that we wanted to share with you about these doubles. Okay, look at this. We're just going to look at the doubles, the numbers that are circled right now. To get from 0 to 1, you just have to add one more. To get from 1 to 4, you're adding 3, right? 1, we're adding 3. To get from the 4 to the 9, we're adding 5. To get from the 9 to the 16, we're adding 7. And so let me show you what that looks like. So I'm adding 1, I'm adding 3, I'm adding 5, I'm adding 7. Do you see a pattern there? Do you see a pattern? I have to add 1, I have to add 3, I have to add 5, I have to add 7, and then I have to add 9 to get from 16 to 25. 9 more. Isn't that funny with the doubles? We're always adding the next odd number to get to the next double. To get from 25 to 36, I'm adding what? 11, right? To get from 36 to 49, from 36 to 49, where is it? 36 to 49, I'm adding 13. It's just one of those weird things about math that makes math so interesting and so beautiful. It's like a mystery. It's like a puzzle, isn't it? And we don't know why that is. It just is. Isn't that cool? And if you think about those cool things, it can help make math easier for you to remember too. All right? Why don't you think about that? And we'll see you next time for real. Say goodbye, Timmy.
Bye.